a great day with the team. It's second day and people have come up with a lot of questions related to their experiences they had with sales, with social media, with LinkedIn, with Instagram, and a lot of stuffs they came up with, and we have sorted out a lot of problems. We shared a lot of learning we had, and we learned from them also what's going on in the market and how people are reacting after this pandemic. So it was good.
So today was majorly a follow-up day for us. हमने इंटर्न्स को पूछा उन लोगों ने डे वन पे जो जो काम किया है दे फेस सम चैलेंजेस, कुछ कुछ उन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स आई. दे हैड सम सजेशंस ऑल्सो कि ये चीज़ ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर सकते हैं, विच इज़ ग्रेट. डे वन से उन लोगों ने अपना इन्वॉल्वमेंट दे दिया है, तो वी आर रियली लाइकिंग इट कि वो लोग खुद को एक पार्ट ऑफ द होल टीम समझ रहे हैं एंड दे आर वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स इट. एंथुजियाज़म तो इन लोग का काफ़ी हाई था. थोड़े बहुत डाउट्स भी थे रिगार्डिंग हाउ टू गो अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स, वो हम लोगों ने सुबह सुबह क्लियर किया. एंड प्रिटी मच ऑल डे लॉन्ग वी हैव बीन ऑक्यूपाइड विद सम और द अदर थिंग रिलेटेड टू व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. एंड अब उन लोगों से ही सुन लेते हैं कि उन लोगों ने क्या क्या किया है, ठीक है ना.
Hey everyone, so this is day 2 of my internship, and today I am working on few target customers to download the app and just go through the products that we are offering. I'm trying to give target customers information about the app and the products and what makes Animate different from others. So this is the Animate app I was talking about. The app is available in both iOS and Android platform, and it's absolutely free. You can easily download it. As you can see, the user interface is really simple and it's easy to use. The products are divided into different categories, so one can easily find the product that they need.
So today is day 2 of our internship. Please don't mind me being so tired because I just took my vaccine, and no, it's not at all pleasant. Everything is pretty gloomy, and it is making me giddy right now. I have also started getting an excruciating headache. But also even though this is not relating to the topic, if you're going to take your vaccine, please make sure that you're full. Don't go empty stomach, because it will start reacting. It will have an adverse effect on you. Anyway, so now coming to the point. So today I am working on the LinkedIn page of Animate. So over here I'm trying to improve its connections, and basically just that for today. So I'm sending invites to people and who are basically a pet parent, or at least interested in owning a pet. So I'll show you the page. I don't know, just a second. I think I'll have to edit it and show it to you. So this is the company's LinkedIn page, which is giving you all the updates. So this was the first day vlog of our induction.
This is my day 2 of my internship. It went very good. I've got 3 leads, but one of my lead wants some other product. I have to see another 2 days. I have to see at 8 o'clock. But it is a very pretty good day of my work. I really like this sales, and today I got a very good insights from my mentor Devakar sir, and also a pretty issues are there with my sales. I mean, with the people who I contacted, some of the people even blocked me. I mean, like only one person has blocked me. And some people trying to reply that they have the other breeds like husky, and because of this I know many of the breeds of the dogs before I don't even know, and so that I can choose a very good dog in my future itself. And this is my day. Actually, I have to see like at 8 o'clock of the other 2 leads, and also trying to figure out some of the sales pitch. Let's see what will happen in the further days.
Hello everyone, today was my second day at Animate. I went out to a pet shop in the morning.
I found out about the market conditions, spoke with a few pet owners, and also played with a few pets. I got to find out that it was very difficult to own a pet in the COVID times because they couldn't go out. I also found out the usual hanging places online and offline. Later in the day, I continued searching for my leads, and hopefully by the end of the day today, I'll be able to crack one lead at least.
Hello everyone, and today is my internship day 2, and it was basically a next step towards entering into the product, and which is in short being known by MBA student as getting into the sales. So first thing which comes to your mind the moment you hear of sales is a salesman knocking at your door. Ma'am, could you please give me just 2 minutes, 3 minutes? It won't require much of your time. And then the journey starts. He starts pitching in like that. But it's very important for us to know that the value proposition you give to your customer, and for that it is the belief in your product. So today we had a wide scale variety over our animate products, and we got to know that these are really very quality products for your pets. And the moment you are having a confidence in your products, that's only when we can propose it to our customers. This is a major learning which we got today.
Hello everyone and welcome to my day 2 of internship. So today I had a talk with many of my friends and many of my batchmates who are pet owners. So some of them have responded in a positive way and some of them have yet not responded. So one of the key things I would like to say about making sales is also having patience. Yes, and not pressurizing the person too much, because what happens if you pitch them again and again within a day, so it becomes annoying. So you just have to call them or text them once about your product and then wait for few hours or maybe one day at least.
So I hope you liked whatever our interns told us. You must have seen that there was a lot of honesty in what they were saying. They've really pushed themselves out of their comfort zone right on day 2. So I believe these guys are, very driven. They'll definitely help us in what we're trying to achieve. And in the whole process, they are developing themselves with a brilliant kind of a skill set. It will be unique. And I hope you will all support us in what we are doing. If you liked it and if you have any questions, do leave it in the comments. And if you would like to download the app, we'll also leave the link to the app in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye.